Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. This one, we're at Deep Agent, and I'm going to show you how to create AI-styled TikTok videos. But here's the thing, these videos, I'm going to show you how to create them using no software. This is all done with AI. You literally type in what you want, and you get what you ask for. And here's the best part, they are monetizable. This is the real deal. No technical skills required. I'm going to show you a few examples, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. It'll take just a few seconds. Let's go. All right, so here we are. We're logged into Deep Agent. I have put a link in the description below. Also, if you are a ChatLLM subscriber, all you got to do is go to ChatLLM, and down at the bottom left, just click on Deep Agent. And you are in. Once you're in, you'll see a few options here, but it is super simple here. All you need to do is type in here the following. Create a, let's go a TikTok video about, and now let's pick a topic here. Now you can be as specific or general as you like. Now I'm going to pick one, and I'm going to be about the HMS Hood and it's sinking. So in this case, I'm doing a war video. But again, you guys can make videos about food. You can make videos about anything, travel, whatever your interest is. It's Deep Agent. It's an AI agent, and it literally knows everything on the internet. And what it doesn't know, it will search for. Yeah, real talk here. So here we go. We've typed that in here, and then now it's giving us some options. Now, keep in mind, I typed in a very simple prompt, but if you type in a more elaborate prompt or a more well-thought-out prompt, it won't ask you any questions or as many. So here we go. What would you like the video to focus more on? Ship's history and specifications, the dramatic battle and sinking. Do you want it to be educational, informative, documentary? You could even have AI avatars like you saw in the beginning. There I had that AI avatar of Einstein talking. Again, up to you completely. And then here we go, lip sync narrator, which again is the AI avatar style, or a video with images, footages with voiceover. So in this case, we're gonna go with you choose, and we want images and footage. Okay, and I can't spell. So there we go. I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter. Now, literally, please keep in mind, I am not using any software here. I am literally just typing in what I want. Here it goes. Now, I'll create a dramatic yet informative TikTok video. It's doing its searching here. These are all clickable links while it searches here. You can see exactly what it's doing. These are the websites it's looking at, so it's not hallucinating. It's not making anything up. And if you want to go dig down in a little further, I can just click the link, and you'll see here, I can go here and click on, I don't know, Britannica. It'll open it up here, HMS Hood. Here's the ship. Here's the specifications. You're getting the real deal here, guys. So now, while I did that, it has written the script as well. So it's already done this script. The Pride of the British Navy destroyed in just 8 minutes. Accurate. I know a lot about this one, and it's correct here. The script was a bit too short, so it revised it. Again, all of this is happening in real time. I am touching nothing. It's writing the script, the final script now. It's done its drafts, just like it's in school. It's done a couple of drafts, sent it back. And presto, the script is done. Now, it's going to go ahead and find the videos and images. I'm going to come back when that part's done, and I'll show you what happened, and then I'll show you the next thing. All right, so it's gone ahead and done everything. I did not type anything else in. I just went and let it do its thing. Here's the video here. It's 31 seconds long. Let's listen to a snippet of it. I think you're going to like it.
The Pride of the British Navy destroyed in just
Bigger
8
here.
minutes. This is HMS Hood, once the most powerful warship
Good.
in the world. In 1941,
Yes.
Hood faced the German battleship Bismarck in the Denmark
Look
Strait.
at that, guys.
Despite her massive guns, she had one fatal flaw.
She did.
Thin deck armor. A single shell struck her magazine.
Wow, it even timed it so that when it said struck, that's when the detonation occurred. And I think that was on purpose. This is an AI agent doing AI agent things that I don't fully understand, but it is incredible. Also, as we scroll down here on the left side here, you'll see it lets it generate the audio for this script using a dramatic male voice. That is perfect for this type of video. If you want to listen to the voice by itself without the background, listen to this.
Destroyed in just 8 minutes.
Amazing. Then we keep going down here, and then this is the revised version here. It revised the script, as you saw earlier, to get it down to 30 seconds. And then here it is, the video plan. Why is this important? Very simple. It tells you the aspect ratio, TikTok friendly, YouTube short friendly, duration, also good, 31 seconds. That's right in the time frame you're looking for. But if you want to make changes, you're saying, hey, this looks great, but what if I want to edit it? Well, watch this. Change the first, oops, let's type this in right. First image in scene 1 to something different. Make it a video instead. Something like that. I could type whatever I want in here. It will just do that editing for you with natural language. You don't have to go ahead and download any CapCuts or any Premiere Pros and make changes. It just goes ahead and does it. It also breaks it down into the various scenes here. The background music is all labeled here. And then finally, guys, here it is, the image assets. If you click on them, watch this. There it is. This is an image of the hood. Why is that important? Because that way you know you're getting a real image. You can actually go to the place it got the image from. So you're not doing a video about something and getting an image of something else. Pretty cool. And then finally, guys, just preview the video here. And that's it. Go ahead and download it. The download button's here. And then finally, I want to show you one last thing. This is just a quick tip that I use. You don't have to use it. I go write 5 YouTube titles for this video. And then I go write a YouTube description for this video. Then I go write 25 YouTube tags for this video, comma, separated. Why does that matter? Because it's just going to go ahead and cook all that up pretty much instantaneously. You just copy and paste that in, and the whole thing's done. You upload the video, copy in the title, copy in the tags, copy in the description, hit play. It takes about 20 minutes, and you've got an incredible AI video that you can put on YouTube, you can put on TikTok, and you can monetize. That's how you do it, guys. That's how good Deep Agent is. Abacus AI totally cooked with this one. It's fantastic. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.